Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Mandeville bypass. This road is also known as the Winston Jones Highway. So recently it was announced that Highway 2000, which currently goes from Kingston to, let's just say, Williamsfield in Manchester, is to be expanded and another leg built, which will take you from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. So this is a section of the road we're driving on now. Now the government announced that they will build a Mandeville bypass, but we are wondering, because this is the Mandeville bypass, this is the Winston Jones Highway, also known as the Mandeville bypass. The official name is the Winston Jones Highway. Are they going to upgrade this existing road that we're driving on now to a highway quality road, putting the 4 lanes, a dual carriageway? Or are they going to build a new bypass, a new road from scratch, probably on the left or on the right or where we are? But they will build, they did say, a Mandeville bypass. And the official name for this road is the Winston Jones Highway, not the Mandeville bypass. So we have to wait and see until I put out more details what it will be, upgrading this road or building a new bypass completely. Now, the reason why I mentioned upgrading this road is because the highway that goes from Kingston to Williamsfield, let's just assume it's finished. Kingston to Williamsfield, it ends dead center in this road. So if you were to remove the Williamsfield roundabout, you would go, it would be one continuous road. So that's why I'm wondering if they're just going to upgrade this road. Now, Highway 2000, it's coming to Williamsfield, but it's going to incorporate the Melrose Hill bypass when it comes out over the hill. It comes over the hill. From Tollgate, it's going to come back out to the Melrose Hill bypass with a new road built over the hill. That road that merges into the Melrose Hill bypass, you don't have to pay toll for the Melrose Hill bypass section of Highway 2000. So I'm wondering if they're going to do the same thing for this section, where incorporate it into the highway and don't charge toll to use the road, because they'll be taking the existing road and just upgrading it. We have to wait till we get more information, but that's one possibility. Another possibility is to build a new road from scratch and merge it back to the Williamsfield roundabout. But I think it would be more practical and easier and quicker to just upgrade this road and not charge toll on it. But we'll keep you guys updated as they put out more information. And also, what do you think? A lot of persons commented on the new alignment of the highway. They're going to build a bypass from Mandeville, a bypass for Spur Tree, a bypass for Junction, and a bypass for Black River. So a lot of persons thought the highway would have gone through Balaclava, that side of the island, more in the middle, but it seems to be going more to the coast. But what do you guys think? Do you think they're going to use this existing road and upgrade it, or do you think they're going to build a new road from scratch and connect it back to the highway in Williamsfield? Now, with the original alignment where it went through Balaclava, the highway would be going more right, over the hills to the right, through the railway company land. So this road probably would have stayed as is. But when they announced the Mandeville bypass, I guess everybody's wondering, where will the Mandeville bypass be? Will it be this road or will it be a new road? Because it's now heading more towards the coast, and Black River is on the coast, so the highway is heading to the coast. But I'd like to get your feedback. Let us know, leave a comment in the section below, and we'll keep you guys updated as we get more information.